Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth headphone to our phone. Friends, you have paired any Bluetooth headphone with your phone and friends now you want to unpair guys. You don't want to use, so friend, how can you unpair? Today I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we unpair Bluetooth headphone. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap on Bluetooth setting. So when you can see guys which device guys you have paired guys, you can check, and when right side icon guys, tap here to unpair. So means you can see your unpair option, and then you can see use for call setting guys, you can on and off from here this setting guys. So when we will click on unpair option to unpair our Bluetooth headphone. After unpair guys, we cannot use. If we use, so friends, you can see we will have to give again this permission and pair option. So like that guy, we can unpair our Bluetooth headphone to our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.